guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So, it's been a while since nag-upload tayo kasi nga na-busy. So, for today's video guys, gagawa ako ng macarona. Macarona with these ingredients. So, meron ako ditong macarona. Supposed to be, spaghetti noodles, pero wala sila. Meron tayo nito. Yan. Okay. Meron tayong macarona pasta because we don't have macarona noodles. Meron tayong chicken broth. Meron tayong carrots and bell pepper. Meron tayong lettuce and chicken breast and yung spices natin, yung herbs natin. Meron tayong soy sauce, ketchup, and ito naman for toppings, ito yung green onion leaves, and meron tayong cornstarch for thickness or for creaminess. So, yun ang ginagamit guys. So, tara na. So, ayan na, in a pan, naglagay na ako ng oil and lagay natin yung garlic. And, lagay natin yung onion. Ayan. Haluin lang natin hanggang mag-golden brown. So, ayan, okay na yun guys. Susunod natin ang ating chicken breast. Ayan, stir ulit. After that guys, sunod natin ang ating seasonings or pampalasa. Salt, black pepper, cumin or cumin powder, and paprika. Stir again. Haluin ulit. Tapos, sunod naman natin yung ating bell pepper and carrots. Ayan. Sunodin natin yan siya, guys. Haluin ulit. Hintayin muna natin siya hanggang maluto. Konti lang, guys. Yung lettuce. Ayan. Tsaka yung, lagay na natin yung mixture natin kanina. Ayan. Lastly, lagay na natin ang ating macarona. Ayan na siya. Haluin lang. Ayan na siya, guys. Wow. Sarap, di ba, makulay? Ayan na siya, guys. Wow. So, this is it, guys.